The knife has been around for thousands of years and has become one of the most important tools in human history. Knives were first made from stone, horns, and animal bones and were used by prehistoric humans for hunting, cooking, and other daily needs. In ancient times, knives were made from metals such as copper and iron and were carved into different shapes. These knives became very important in trade and warfare at the time. In the medieval period, knives began to be made with stronger and sharper metal blades and became a symbol of social status for those who owned them. In the 18th century, knife production began to use machine technology, which allowed knives to be mass-produced at a cheaper cost. This made knives more affordable and available to the general public. In the 20th century, knives became more technologically advanced, with the development of electric knives and knives made from stainless steel. Knives also developed into various types and sizes, including kitchen knives, folding knives, bread knives, and utility knives. Today, knives remain a very important tool in human daily life and continue to undergo technological developments that make them more efficient and effective for various purposes. So if you want a sharpener, just check the description right. In conclusion, the knife has evolved over thousands of years from a simple tool made from stone to a technologically advanced instrument used for various purposes. Despite all the advancements in technology, knives remain an essential tool in human daily life, and the Pebble Premium Whetstone Kit can help keep them performing at their best. Whether for cooking, hunting, or everyday tasks, a sharp and reliable knife is invaluable. With the Pebble Premium Whetstone Kit, you can ensure that your knives are always ready for any task, making your life easier and more efficient.